Hello friends and welcome back to the Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about YESTON new GeForce RTX 5060 Ti Game A series with cyberpunk themed graphics card. So friend, YESTON has introduced Game A's GPUs, GPUs, and the company has added GPUs. And today the YESTON is adding new series and new design to their lineup. The Game is used to be the highest SKU in YESTON offering, and there are currently the only NVIDIA cards featuring 8-pin power connector which match what is shown the official render. And Aston officially marketed the model of cyberpunk themed design featuring a metal backplate for color breathing light and gradient laser sticker on the back, and the cooler shroud has two-tone color design with purple and pink interact with each other, and the company has no at listed the new model on official website, so there is no details available at about the specification or release date. So friends, if you like my video, please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.